Yeah, sorry about that, fellas. Yeah. I don't know how long that's been going for. Too long, probably. Anyway, we'll carry on down here, and I'll probably have to do it again at one of the other bus stops. We'll just walk down here, and there's the old exclusive brethren. Yeah. So, I don't know whether you can actually turn the turret on the lens hood around so you don't get those cutouts. I don't know. Interesting colour of car. Okay. Oh, more solar panels. Yeah. Oh, it looks like the benches here on the John Wayne. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Now we're getting down to my old son's kindergarten soon, and what we took earlier on in the year. I'll just check, get the old hanky out again, and we'll get the lens cleaning fluid at home out. Another one. Now we've got stuff on the lens. No, just a little bit, I think. So, there that goes. If we can get it on, and we carry on. So this is my old son's kindergarten that they had to knock down, basically, because there used to be a plaque somewhere. Oh, maybe it's over here. If we go to Spot Cullen, assuming this is the plaque. There you go, 1980 to 2000. So you've got a couple of years here, and then they knocked it down because of the power lines. You see, it's not good for kids' brains, sort of thing. Didn't do my son any harm. So anyway. Okay. Can you hear me now? Isn't that a song or something? I think he's going to be wiping the camera at every bus shelter, I think. Or at least checking it. Well, there's Pine Drive, David's Road, so it goes back up to the pine forest over there. There you go. And we'll just dip into here and check our lens. Give it a bit of a wipe. Maybe it's leaking from the lens, but I don't know. Yeah, let's just see if it's still going. I haven't clicked. Oh yeah, it's still going. So. Right. Don't think there's any more bus shelters, so. Cute little car. Must be kindy time. Wow. Interesting little townhouse that's been built. I've never noticed before. Yeah. Never used to be there. Like that anyway. Oh, the old Olympic caravan. Good little kookaburra. Time to take those in, fellas. Got some soggy fake news. Another bus shelter coming up. There used to be a good eucalypt down the end of this street with a different flower colour, almost like a puce colour, but I suppose we'll get to see that later on in the season. It's the old community centre there, one of them anyway. Well, I think it's the church community centre. One more go. I think this will be the last one, fellas. Getting to the corner soon. Right, how much time we got? Yeah, it's starting to run out of time now, so might just let it run. And yeah. No, I was wrong, it's this street. Yeah, it's that eucalypt up there, I think. Yeah, one of those Queensland looking ones. They have the colours, so. There you go. Uh-huh. There you go. There you go. Can you recognise that over there, that walkway up there we took? So. I'll check the fluorescent orange on this one. Wow, little flowers over there on that one. Yeah, just using him as the fluorescent orange standard. Aussie Post. So how those ones can here on the John Wayne too. Oh well, recognise that from when we had a bit of sunnage early on in the season. Oh yeah. Huh? Wattle bird. I might just duck in at the top here and wipe the lens one last time and one last look there. Colour check. Yeah, one last check. Maybe I need some windscreen wipers, eh? Yeah. Maybe those slits actually direct the rain into there. So you recognise there's the grid side over there, and working our way home now. Oh, are you in for a treat here, aren't you? Yeah, they've taken out a few pine trees there. I've forgotten what the life cycle of a Monterey pine is. Pinus radiata, Monterey pine. More the same. And we're still not back to the Sinophyta set with some sunlight on it. Right time of day, but the sun's not out. Okay. Oh well. Yeah. Back vistas, I know you'll like them. Yeah. Well, I think the rain shower is somewhat past, but it will be raining for the rest of the week apparently. Well, that usually means on and off, you know. And then back to where we were, basically. Yeah, back to where we were. The old... Oh. And purple's still your favourite colour? Yeah. At last I went to my son's school. She was into purple, everything was purple, yeah. She got a purple shopping bag. Careful. Okay. Right. Oh yeah, nice swirl there. Get a few glids down on that. Now we go up.